Hello children, freedom struggle we are learning. In that today we are learning about the Gandhian age. Gandhi, father of nation children. Usually people used to call him as a Bapu. You know all this one. Okay, so Gandhian age means what it is. Gandhiji, his role is very important children in the freedom struggle. He inspired the nation. He converted the freedom struggle into mass movement. Throughout India, they are obeying the Gandhiji's rules and regulations. What Gandhiji used to say, no, that one whole nation used to obey. Many great leaders also following the Gandhiji. Such a person is. So his role in the freedom struggle is very important one. So from which year he entered the politics now? From that year up to our freedom, it is called as the Gandhian age. It is in the year 1990 he actually taken the entry in the politics. Jallianwala Bagh and all over, no, that time he entered the politics. Then up to 1947 it is called Gandhian age. Hello children. Yes. Gandhi not only for the freedom struggle, for the untouchability and to build the harmony between Hindu-Muslim. For that also he worked children. He struggled for that. About Mahatma Gandhiji children, he born on 2nd October 1869 at Porabandar. It is in Gujarat. There he born. And his father is Karamchand Gandhi, father. Mother is Putli Bai. These were the parents. Karamchand Gandhi and Putli Bai were the parents of the Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji inspired by some books children. That books name are Bhagavad Gita, John Ruskin's Unto This Last, then Leo Tolstoy's The Kingdom of God is Within You, and Satya Harishchandra's Dharma. These books inspired the Gandhiji. Then, non-violence and satyagraha are the weapons of Gandhiji. Non-violence. He was following the non-violence. Cruelty and all was not with Gandhiji. With the non-violence only he fought with the British. And satyagraha he used to do. Satyagraha. These are the weapons of the Gandhiji. What is the secret of his success? Whole nation is obeying him, children. Such a great person he is. Every leader, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, like that many people leaders were obeying Gandhiji. What are the secret of his success? That is his simplicity. First thing, he is very simple man. How he was dressing, you know that simply one dhoti is used to wear. Very simple man. Then truthfulness. Truth is there means power is there. Truth is there in you means you will be very courageous. You are telling lie means you are afraid of. So truthfulness also one of the character of the Gandhiji's that made him successful. Then pious behavior, very good behavior. His behavior is very good. These are the things children which will take you to the success. Everyone will give you respect. If you are simple, truth is there, honesty is there, your behavior is good, your language is good, means definitely everyone will respect. So these are the things, characters which made Gandhiji successful man. They are simplicity, truthfulness and pious behavior. Okay. Yes. And he converted our freedom struggle into mass movement. Earlier what happened? Wherever the affected area, in that only struggle started. Jhansi the attack means Jhansi people revolted against. Kittur the attack means Kittur people revolted against. Like that. But he converted into mass. Throughout India, the revolt started when Gandhiji entered in the freedom struggle. Yes. After his primary education is in Porabandar only children. Then he went for higher studies to England. There he studied the law. Then he taken the law degree in Britain. In the year 1891, no, he went to, yes, in the year 1891, he returned to India. England he went, no, there he taken the law degree and he came back to India in the year 1891, and in Rajkot and Mumbai he worked as a lawyer. He taken the law degree, so he worked as a lawyer in Rajkot as well as in Mumbai. Then he went to South Africa as a legal advisor, law advisor. He went legal advisor. He went to South Africa. There also Europeans were there. Their behavior, their attitude was not good with the Africans. They are making the racial discrimination on the basis of skin color, white, black, like that. They used to discriminate. So black means African people, white means Europeans. These white people were only ruling Africa. They are giving they are exploiting the Africans. That one he saw. And while he was working in Africa, he came to know about the critical condition of the Indians. Then he came back to India to make the motherland free from the Europeans. Okay, yes. In the political life, children, how we entered the politics, all that one we learn now. Initial political life. Actually not interested in the political activities, but he was involved with the freedom struggle. How it is, that one we learn. Yes. After returning from South Africa, Gandhiji established the Sabarmati Ashram in the year 1960. Sabarmati Ashram is in Gujarat. That one he established, and his political guru is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He inspired him in the political matter, so he is a political guru. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Then he, after returning from South Africa, he toured throughout India. He saw the miserable conditions of Indians, miserable conditions of untouchables. Then he started working how to improve the conditions of the Indians, how to improve the conditions of backward people. All that one he started, children. To fight with the British, he taken the two weapons, Satyagraha and non-violence. Non-violence means without doing any violence, you have to fight with the British. Without doing violence, how it is? That one he followed the Satyagraha method. What is Satyagraha? It is a Sanskrit word, children. It is combination of two words, Satya and Agraha. Satya means truth. Agraha means compulsion. That means you have to do force for the compulsion, which is truth. You have to do the compulsion, which is truth. So the meaning of Satyagraha is stand firmly by the side of truth. Which side is correct? That side you have to stand there. Firmly you have to make the decision. This definite decision you have to make towards the truth side. That is the meaning of Satyagraha. Follow, children. That one Gandhiji adopted, children. So without using any weapon, through Satyagraha only, he fought for the freedom of India. That is the greatness of Gandhiji. Okay, children. Yes, and he supported the farmers in their fight, because farmers were the most sufferers during British rule. They were taking the tax from the farmers. The very heavy tax they used to collect, and they are forcing them to grow the commercial crops. There was a food shortage, children. Food crops only farmers are not growing, means how to get the food, where to get. So that is a problem. Farmers were very much in the trouble because of British. So Gandhiji supported the two farmers movement, children. That is one Chaparna and Kheda farmer struggle. In both he supported the farmers. In the Chaparna struggle, children, the farmers were forced to grow the indigo. That one. So against the farmers who were forcing that one to grow the indigo, farmers started the strike. Gandhiji supported that one, and in this Chaparna struggle revolt, Dr. Babu Rao Rajendra Prasad, he emerged as a national leader. Babu Rajendra Prasad, he emerged as a national leader. He became the great leader through the Chaparna revolt only, children. Then Kheda farmers means, in this also, Kheda, it is a place, children, in the Gujarat state. It is in the year 1918. The year 1918. Farmers were economically ruined due to the failure of crops. So that year the crops were failed and the farmers' condition was very critical. So they given the appeal to the British that this year don't collect the tax. But British were not ready to listen to the farmers. They insisted to collect the tax. Gandhiji supported this Kheda farmers. Then Gandhiji started the Satyagraha against the British. That time Gandhiji involved means even British also used to bend. So Gandhiji, British, after all the struggle, Gandhiji's involvement, they came to the opinion that the farmers who are able to pay the tax, they can pay the tax, and who are not able to pay, there is a tax exemption for those weak farmers. Like that, they taken a decision. Even Gandhiji also agreed for this. Then he taken back the Satyagraha and he stopped the Kheda farmers struggle. Like this way, he used to support the farmers' children. In this Kheda farmers struggle, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the national leader. He emerged as a great leader. Followed? Yes, these are the two important rewards in which Gandhiji involved, and along with that, two great leaders also emerged as a national leaders, Babu Rajendra Prasad and the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Followed, children? Then Gandhiji actually involved in the freedom struggle. That one is there, children. Yes, 1919 is called milestone in the freedom struggle. Many things happened in the 1919. Jallianwala Bagh, Revolt Act is implemented. Like this very important thing happened, and even Gandhiji also actually he entered the freedom struggle, and very actively he taken all the movements. That one. So it is called milestone, children. Milestone means remarkable thing in the history. And Gandhiji entered the Indian politics also in this year only. So he came to know that physically pushing the British from India is not possible. So like this, any Satyagraha, the strong movement we are taking means it is possible to remove them from the India. So he started the Satyagraha against the Revolt Act and Jallianwala Bagh. We learned all this, my children. Revolt Act was against the freedom of Indians. Anyone can arrest on the basis of suspicion, and they can't make the lawyer for their in their defense. That is against the people only, not children. There will be no freedom for the people only. So he started the Satyagraha against that Revolt Act and Jallianwala Bagh. Unarmed people were there. Hundreds of people were killed in a day. In a Jallianwala Bagh, General Dyer given the order to shoot them. That is a very miserable thing. Like this, many things happened. So he strongly entered the politics. Then Khilafat movement, children. Gandhiji, along with the freedom struggle, he was struggling for the harmony between Hindu and Muslim. British were dividing Indians as a Hindu and Muslim. Because of their encouragement only, Muslim League established. So like this way they are dividing India. Gandhiji don't want that one. So he started struggle for the building the harmony between Hindu and Muslim. In that, one of the Khilafat movement to cooperate with the Muslim people, Gandhiji also involved in that. What is this Khilafat movement? Khilafat movement. Caliph it is. Caliph is a religious guru, Muslim religious guru. Caliph he is, and Turkey Empire was under the control, under the hands of Caliph. Caliph is a religious guru. He was controlling the Turkey. But during First World War, this Turkey was defeated by the Britain. Turkey was defeated by the Britain. After defeating by the Britain, Kamal Pasha, he became the king of the Turkey. He removed the Caliph and he started ruling. That one Muslim people opposed. They want Caliph only, not Kamal Pasha. So they started the revolt against him. Even in India also, many Muslims were there. They started the movement, strike or struggle against the Kamal Pasha. That they want back again Caliph only. When the Indian Muslims started this struggle movement, that time to support the Muslim, to build the harmony between Hindu and Muslim, Gandhiji supported the Khilafat movement. Follow children, this is called Khilafat movement. Leaders for this movement are Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali. Both are brothers children. Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. They were leaders for the Khilafat movement. Even Gandhiji also supported. Satyagraha and all he started against the British children. Then afterwards strong movement he started, that is non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, all that one is there. Non-cooperation movement I will take in the next class. For today's class it is enough. Okay, I will give the homework for today's class. Yes, homework for today's children. Where and when Gandhiji born? Name the parents of Gandhiji. Name the weapons of Gandhiji. Name the political guru of Gandhiji. Who emerged as a leader from Chakarna movement? Right? What is Khilafat movement? That one you have to write, children. Explain it. What is Khilafat movement? Yes, enough for today, children. Non-cooperation movement I will take in the next class. Thank you.